Hello everyone, in today's video, I will demonstrate how to locate uninstalled applications on an Android smartphone. If you are interested in viewing a list of all the applications you have removed from your Android device, please follow these steps. Launch the Play Store application. Select the profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Choose the Manage Apps and Devices option. Select the Manage tab. Change the Installed filter to Not Installed. You will now be presented with a list of all the applications you have uninstalled. To sort the list by the most recently uninstalled applications, click on the Name column and select Recently Updated from the sorting options. If you wish to reinstall any of the uninstalled applications, simply click on the application name and select the Install button. I hope you find this video helpful. If so, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel for more informative content.